Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Yusuf Mirewala. I am 20 years old. I am from Pakistan. I am a student at Hanschool Online Academy Foundation level from scratch. So it is my another TEDx Q, so let's start. In this powerful TEDx dive, Ashar Hassan, a TEDx scholar for Pakistan, shares photos and stories of everyday Pakistanis. His message is clear and touching. We must look beyond plastic and violence to see the humanity to each other. He reminds the advice that real change begins when we understand and respect one another. Despite facing challenge to attend that India, he came to speak not just for himself but for the unheard voice of Pakistan. She highlights people who live simple but find meaningful life. He started encourage us to remove hate and fear and build bridge of love and peace instead. This talk is not only about Pakistan. In it speaks to the whole world. It teaches us that behind our conflict, that we are real people, real lives, and real dreams. Message: see people as human, not just headlines. Thank you for watching.